In this video, I will be showing you how to use Napkin AI with your NotebookLM output. Let's get started. First, I'll go to my NotebookLM notebook and scroll through the text from the chat that I want to turn into a visual. I'll copy the explanation of retrieval augmented generation and then switch tabs to Napkin AI. Once I'm in Napkin, I'll click the option to create a new project by pasting my text. I'll paste the content into the blank editor and wait for it to process. Now, when I hover over the paragraphs, a blue lightning bolt icon appears on the left margin. I'll click this Generate Visuals button to see what the AI suggests. On the left sidebar, I can choose the style I want from the various AI suggestions. After selecting a specific style, I can also browse through different design variations within that same style. I'll scroll down and pick this design that uses a power strip metaphor, as it perfectly illustrates the technical connections. Now, I can start editing the visual the way I want. I'll click on the main title at the top to adjust the font and the weight. To change specific parts of the graphic, I'll select the visual and click Ungroup. This allows me to move elements freely and click on individual lines or icons to change their colors to better suit my preferences. I can also tweak the text labels and formatting directly within the diagram to make them stand out. Once I'm happy with the look, I'll go to the Export Visual button in the top right corner of the interface. I'll choose the PNG format, click Download, and now my custom graphic is saved and ready to use in my presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI with NotebookLM output.